Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the support. We're getting close to 500 subscribers and we're halfway to our goal of 1,000. If you enjoy tropical plants and videos like this, I really appreciate you subscribing and joining me on the journey. Today I'm taking you on a walk through one of my favorite nurseries. We're going to look at some beautiful tropical plants, a few rare finds, and one incredible monstera with a $650 price tag that definitely caught my attention. One quick note before we begin, this nursery doesn't label every plant, and some of the price tags are hard to read on camera. This one is definitely the star of the show. Wow, it's incredible. And it's been growing for a long time. But $650? Ouch. This Dieffenbachia camouflage, it's over 5 feet tall. This plant stood out the most for me. It's called Mother of Thousands, and each little leaf on the end of the leaf fall to the pot and they start to grow. It's an invasive type of plant. It's also known as a succulent, but it is beautiful. And if you're wondering if I bought anything, here they are. Dieffenbachia panthers. They're a little tattered, but I got them at a great price, and they're very large, so I'm very happy. I hope you enjoyed the walk through the nursery today. Let me know in the comments which plant was your favorite, and if you pay $650 for that Monstera. Thank you so much for watching, and follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.